Hey, it's Matt. Welcome back to Practice Perfect University. Today I'll be showing you how to submit completed OCF-18's and 23's to HCAI. We'll also be running through how to print them. Class is now in session. Step 1. Begin by pulling up the patient's client detail view and selecting Client OCF-23/18 listing from the function bar. The following screen will appear. Step 2. As you know, this is a list of all the OCF-18's and OCF-23's that you've prepared for the patient. Begin by flagging the OCF-18 or OCF-23 that you want to submit. Then select the printer icon from the function bar. While we use an OCF-18 as an example in this video, the process is virtually identical for OCF-23's. Click Preview to generate the OCF-18/23 document submission report. This is a very important step as it will identify any missing information in your submission and help you reduce denials. Step 3. After correcting any errors highlighted in the document submission report, you may press Send to transmit the OCF-18 or OCF-23 to HCAI. If the submission was successful, the document number and submission date will automatically be filled out. But if the submission was unsuccessful, those fields will be left blank. Furthermore, the document submission report will be printed off automatically. Please refer to it for relevant error messages. Step 4. If you need to edit an OCF-18 or OCF-23, such as when it is not approved, you must flag it and select the edit icon from the function bar. Make the necessary changes to the OCF-18 or OCF-23 and repeat steps 2 and 3. Step 5. If you wish to print off a copy of your OCF-18 or OCF-23 to keep for your records, simply flag the one you want to print and click the printer icon on the function bar. The following panel will appear. Tick off Print OCF-18/OCF-23 form. Click Print to send the form to your printer. Thanks for visiting. Be sure to check out Practice Perfect University for the rest of our tutorial videos. Have a great day.